Hostinger Horizons. This platform has been making a lot of noise recently, so let's break down what it really offers. What is Hostinger Horizons? Hostinger Horizons is an AI-powered no-code app builder designed for people who want a fully all-in-one experience. Think of it as a personal AI developer and hosting service combined. Instead of juggling code, hosting, databases, and deployment separately, Horizons manages everything under one roof. The entire interface is conversational. You simply type, for example, "Build me an app with a login page and a product catalog," and Horizons generates it. No code simplicity. It's designed for non-technical users. You don't need coding skills, but you still get real production-ready apps. Full stack integration. Horizons covers front-end, back-end, databases, and even hosting. It connects to popular services like Stripe for payments and Supabase for database functionality, all configured through prompts. One-click deployment. Once your app is ready, you can publish it instantly with hosting included. Every plan comes with 1 year of free domain and professional email, making it easy to launch a project without extra setup. Pricing. Pricing starts at around $14 per month if billed annually, or $19 per month if you want to pay monthly. Higher tier plans scale with the number of AI messages you can use, with advanced plans costing around $80 per month for heavy users. All plans include hosting, a domain, and unlimited apps, so you don't have to worry about hidden costs. Hostinger Horizons is ideal for solo entrepreneurs, students, and non-technical creators who want to test business ideas, build side projects, or create MVPs without hiring a developer. If your main goal is to launch a functional app quickly without worrying about setup, Horizons is a fantastic choice.